Today we are going to cook pork belly with dried chili and spicy bean sauce or ladoubanjiang. Place the pork belly in a pot of water. When the water starts to boil, simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove and wash the pork belly under running water to cool it down. Slice the pork belly. This is 6 dried chili soaked in hot water for 15 minutes, some shredded ginger, 2 minced garlic, and 1 teaspoon of ladoubanjiang. We start by frying the sliced pork belly with 1 tablespoon of oil. Fry until the edges are brown and remove. Saute the ginger and dried chili until the oil turns red for about 1 minute. Add the garlic, add ladoubanjiang, add sliced pork belly, add hot water enough to cover the pork belly. Put a lid on and simmer for 1 hour. Top up hot water if the water is drying out. After 1 hour, reduce the sauce using medium-high heat. Add salt and sugar to taste. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends.